This is the Reader's Digest Stationery Memo Box gift set. It has an elasticated tie, a gift tag. It comes in a box and it's beautifully decorated with these gorgeous bird designs. And that's the theme of this gift set. Because inside the little treasure chest, or it's quite a big treasure chest, take the sleeve off. And again, it's the decorated box, very heavy. Open it up, and inside there are 20 stickers with these suggestions on, and big plain note cards for all occasions, thank you notes for a quick happy birthday, wishing someone well, wishing someone good luck. And then inside the last little bit here, there's 2 sizes of note cards, 30 of these square ones, and 30 of the large ones, and then finally this little block notepad, which you can keep by the telephone to jot your little notes on. The whole thing in a lovely presentation box, Reader's Digest, so you know the quality. Just £8 from Bibliophile Books.